In this video, we'll show you how to get around on your Pixel phone. To start, unlock your phone. Here, you'll see the home screen. To see all your apps, swipe up. To open an app, tap it. To switch to a previous app, swipe right along the bottom of the screen. To go back to the first app, swipe left along the bottom of the screen. To close the app, swipe up to go back to your home screen. To see all the apps you have open, touch and hold the bottom of your screen and swipe up slightly. When you feel a vibration, let go. Swipe from left to right to see the other apps you have open. To close an app, swipe up on the app. To close all open apps, tap Clear All. Now you know how to get around on your phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch our other videos or visit the Help Center.